OpenAI just released a new set of models in preview called O1. These reasoning models are meant to spend more time thinking before returning a response back to the user, and this allows them to handle more complex reasoning tasks better. This is a really cool graphic that shows the improvement that O1 has over GPT-4o on these common benchmarks. So what's different about the O1 model is that they're using reinforced learning with chain of thought. So this is a good example of how O1 looks at a particular prompt and comes up with a plan on how to actually break that problem down before responding to the user. And this chain of thought process is improved through reinforcement learning during the training process. An interesting note that OpenAI covers in their technical article is that the chain of prompt displayed here is actually a summary of the chain of thought because they did not actually want to show the raw chain of thought, both for competitive reasons and for safety reasons. Overall, this reminds me of an insight that Yann LeCun, who's a really famous computer scientist, mentioned about what some of the limitations of these GPT models. Before, when they were given a problem to solve, they would just predict the next token. So there was no difference between how it would handle a hard problem versus an easy problem. And clearly with this chain of thought approach, it's trying to address that issue to basically spend more time thinking about harder problems. Interestingly, OpenAI also hints at how they actually want ChatGPT to be able to see a problem and choose the right model to use. For the last couple months, people have been speculating about this reasoning model, which originally was called Q-Star and then was called Project Strawberry. And people were spreading a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But now that it's out, I kind of feel like it's a logical next step. And there are papers out there who talked about this chain of thought approach in LLMs for quite some time now. So I don't think the AI overlords are here quite yet.